Hello and welcome back to my craft room. It's fairly early in the morning for me. I'm still in my PJs. I've got my second cup of coffee of the day going and the postman's just been. I've got happy mail. This time it's from Dolores in the States. So Dolores and I have been working on a kind of collaboration, a shared project where we sent each other some junk mail and other bits and pieces, food packaging and things, and we're using all of that to create collaged art dolls in a kind of junk journal. And we've each got a very different take on it, which makes it fun, and I will link to Dolores' playlist below anyway, so you can check that out for yourself. So I don't know if I'm kind of hoping this is going to be more junk mail and food packaging for me to use, because I don't get a lot of food packaging anyway, and I certainly don't get any from America. So yeah, let's get in there, shall we? She did say there was some happy mail coming, but I've no idea what it was. It's quite a big package. Let me show you. Yes, it's quite a chunky monkey. Let's lovely pretties. Definitely know it's happy mail, eh? Let's see if I can get in here without cutting through anything. Oh yes, I think it's more. It is good. It's more fodder for my art dolls and junk journals. Oh lovely, let's have a look through this. Oh, and some very colourful pipe cleaners. Now that would go with the with the UR box that Johnny sent me, wouldn't it? Look at those colours, wow. Let's make sure I'm not leaving anything. Okay, get that out of the way. So let's have a look through. So yeah, those all definitely come in handy. Now there's so many things you can do with these napkins. You just take off the top layer and kind of wet your fingers helps, and just sort of to separate the layers you take off just the very top layer. Well, sometimes these are 2 or 3 ply, aren't they? And then you can apply that with Mod Podge or whatever to all kinds of surfaces, actually, to create backgrounds or little focal points. Oh, these are interesting ones. Yeah, nice, lovely. Angels. These feel like they're cut from very thin foam. Maybe they're part of a Christmas decor or something. I could definitely add some different faces and different bodies to them, couldn't I? I'm not sure. Oh look, there's more napkins. Let's look at them first. I want to do some different kinds of some different videos, all the different things you can do with napkins. I think it was Dolores' birthday in December, but I didn't realise that till after the event. Oh, I love that one. A couple of those. Really colourful dots. See, I can tear pieces of these off and just add them to the background in my trash tome. I bet that was a birthday thing as well. Got the princess crown. Okay, lovely. Nice big stack of napkins. Little bits and bobs in here. Let's have a look. This looks like some die cuts and things. Some little googly eyes. I'll definitely use them for my dollies. Oh, and some crowns. Oh, yeah, nice lot of all sorts of different crowns. Maybe I'll give all my dolls with Dolores faces that will all get crowns. Oh, and some shoes. So I sent Dolores some die cuts in my in the past. I sent to her. Oh yeah, look at these. These are lovely shoes, aren't they? That'd definitely be good for my dollies. All different colours as well. Lovely, all different styles of shoe. Oh, nice. And oh, and then we've got some bees. They might be good in the background. And honeycomb. Googly eyes, always good. Pom-poms. I love how the pom-poms match the pipe cleaners. I'm not sure if they'll end up in my trash can, but the colours are right. And all different sizes of googly eyes. So I'm definitely bringing them in. Lovely. Right, let's scoop all this up and get it back in the bag. I'm going to be doing another instalment of my trash tome. You should see in the next couple of days, where I'm going to start creating some pop-up and other interactive elements, and adding to some of the backgrounds and things, doing a couple more different styles of dolls. There's all sorts of different ideas I want to try. I've got plenty of room. I've got lots of pages in my trash tome. So yeah, if you're enjoying the trash tome little series, watch out for that. Probably tomorrow or the next day. Brilliant. Let's see. So let's stack all this up here. I've just set myself aside a little box to keep all my Frankenstein dolls and trash tome stuff in. So I think I should have enough space to keep all this. Now this looks really intriguing. So it's really useful to have these kind of catalogues and things to cut faces and hands and bodies out of and feet, and then sort of cobble them all. That's why I call them Frankenstein dollies, cobble them all together. And you can also cut words and things as well. Like, you know, I'm not going to bother keeping individual letters and numbers and things because I've got lots of dies and stamps and stuff that I want to use. But if I see odd words or phrases like discover, I probably would cut that out and keep it and incorporate that into one of my journal spreads. So let's have it. Looks like she's put things inside all the pages, which is, look, see how fat it is. Oh, this is fun. Thank you, Dolores. How exciting. Oh, look. A little mini, like a zine. Isn't that cute? Dolores does a lot of colouring pages as well. If you go to her channel, you'll see that. She does them for a local church. BFF, a friend is someone who knows the song in your heart and can sing it back to you when you've forgotten the words. Oh, that's a nice quote, isn't it? Lots of love, DJ. Nice. So she must have, yes, let's see. So she's printed it out like that on A4, coloured it all in, and then, well, now I've got to work out how to fold it up. There we go. That's a good little design, isn't it? Right, so yeah, I will work my way all through this magazine, cutting out things I think might be useful. Even like stacks of clothes like that can be quite nice as parts of bodies and things. I love this colour here. Yeah, so I will work all through that. Oh, look, glasses. I love those. There's something between nearly all these pages. Oh, look. It's like in a nice pearlescent kind of finish. Let's put these to one side as I go. Wow, there's a little surprise in every page. I have got a little something I'm going to say. I had in mind to say. I saw it and thought of you, Dolores, but it's not as exciting as this, but I think you'll like it. So I'll get that in the post in the next couple of days. These little kind of reward stickers almost. Oh, look at these. I always like these layered kind of stickers, and these bright colours should work well in my trash tome. I don't have my mum anymore, but I might be able to make cards out of that or something. Oh, I love these. Oh, I haven't seen these. They're 3D again. They've got like the sort of transparent and glittery. Pretty. That would be a dolly body. Oh, look. Ooh. Oh, look at that. That's a bit different. I'll see now one of my Frankenstein dolls is going to have to be a rock star now, isn't she? This is nice. Now, I got one like this in the, very similar to this, in the bazaar package that I bought just recently. And I didn't know if it was a face mask or a hair thing, but it didn't have this sort of effect. So I reckon it is a hair thing now. I'll have to try it. I've never tried one like this on my hair, but maybe I had a kind of similar thing in the 70s. I'll have to do this. Now my hair's longer again. Lovely. Thank you, Dolores. Might see me wearing that in a video soon. So all of these, I'll cut out all these separate legs and bodies and put them together. Love this one. I won't wear it, but more stickers. Wow, there's a lot in here. Oh, look now. So there was the angels and now there's the gingerbread men. These must have been Christmas things. It's this sort of thin foam they're cut from. Well, there's a dolly kind of already ready-made, but it'll look different by the time I've put weird faces and things on it. This is a little voyage of discovery, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, I think that's got to be one of my favourite napkins. Look. Like a Mickey Mouse bow. And I love the colours. Oh, chicken and biscuits bake. I think biscuits in America, so how is it? I can see it better in the camera than I can from my naked eye. Oh, it's like a whole recipe out of cans, isn't it? Oh no, there's some chopped chicken or turkey. Refrigerated flaky biscuit dough. I don't think we even have that. Is that like pastry or is it more like what we would call a scone? I don't know. I bet you could do it with a scone mixture. Well, that's probably quite nice. Might not fit with the diet I'm supposed to be back on now. But I'll save that. I'll put that to one side actually. Put it on my recipes. Oh look, I'm missing a bit there. I can feel. Wow, she's got quite a collection of napkins. I like the little cute house. Oh, I've dropped another bit there. This is like, it's like a doily, but it's made out of a thin flexible plastic, so I could use it as like a stencil or something. I could use it on my jelly plate, it would probably be quite nice. Lovely. What's this sour belt? Oh, I love these kind of things. We had a single rainbow coloured sour belt in a squatter box recently. I've really enjoyed it. I bet, no, okay, the diet starts after I finish that then. I feel like I'm still missing bits. There's still lumps in here that I'm missing. Look at that, look. Oh, I'm going to have to look at those. Those will fit right into my... I'll maybe use some of these napkins in the background when I do my next... Look! I'm going to have to tip the... Oh, look, I've missed bits. I like this, the black and white. We both like the black and white checks and stripes. So, yeah, I'll definitely bring some of that into my trash tome, thank you. I'm going to have to fill all these pages to make sure I've not missed anything else, I think. Lots and lots of goodies squeezed inside here. Brilliant idea. Plasters, didn't think of using I do have plasters occasionally, and things like aspirin packs and things. And they of course will make, you can make a dolly body out of those. Oh, it's a pretty one, isn't it? It's an unusual shaped one as well. Yeah, I can run them up the sides of pages and things. Oh, look at this. I don't even know what that is. I suppose it's something you would hang up. Oh right, you hang it up and you can put whatever photo you like in it. Ah, so I could put one of our funny printed... Oh, that is cute, isn't it? Well, that's definitely going to have to feature somewhere in my trash tome. Or I might just hang it somewhere and put a face in it and hang it somewhere in my craft room. I might take that little girl's face out. I think she's a bit... I'm not sure about her. Maybe I'll use her face though as one of the... Yeah. These are kind of holographic food stickers. So if they don't get used in my trash tome, they'll get used in my retro journal or whatever. I think I might have finished going through that. Let's just make sure I haven't missed anything. Wow, what a look at this huge pile of goodies. Lots of yeah, there's lots of lovely stuff there. Will end up things that I never would have thought of in my trash tome. Lots of them will end up in there, and some of them I'll just use for other things. I won't necessarily use them all. I love these shoe dies. Wow, let me come back up to thank you very much, Dolores. I really appreciate that. It's given me I'm funny, just as I was about to sort of get back into my Frankenstein dollies after the Christmas break, so that's really good timing. Not that I didn't have loads of stuff already, but the more you got, the more, you know, it's quite fun to have plenty to it's nice to have plenty to go through and pick from. Yeah, that's come at a really good time. Thank you very much. And as I say, I have got a little something for you. It's something to do with the dollies. I'm not saying any more. Okay, well, that was it. I hope you enjoyed that little peek through my surprise parcel. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you again really soon.